Hey guys, what is going on, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this one I'll be explaining to you guys some tips and tricks on how you can quickly level up smithing in Skyrim, so let's get right into it. First of all, this is a heavily modded game, as you can see by the big Oblivion gate in the middle of Whiterun. However, that won't be a problem at all, and the first thing and the first tip I can give you is find a blacksmith such as Yorland. I don't think he can train you. However, if you find one who can train you, you can pay them gold, which will level you up 5 times per level for a gold cost, and that is, I think, the fastest way that you can upgrade this. However, there are other methods. For example, if you buy ores such as iron and silver and gold ores, by smelting the actual ores into ingots, that will increase your smithing as well, and then you can use those ingots to go to the forge and use the forge to actually create either daggers, which is a very popular method. However, in my experience, gold jewelry and silver jewelry, but mostly gold, is the best way to level up smithing. So make sure you either stack up on gold ingots, or that you actually transmute them through the transmute spell, and then you can create gold rings, which will increase your smithing by a lot. Another method is also you can use, whenever you're smithing, you can use fortify smithing potions and enchanted armor and things like that. And you can also use the well-known exploit that you can use through the, I think, restoration potion or any enchanting potion plus enchanted armor. So you can pretty much do that ad infinitum. You can search for the exploit on YouTube, and that is pretty much the fastest way. However, that is not a quote-unquote legit way, so the fastest way is definitely find someone to train you, pay them gold, or just use a forge to craft gold jewelry. And yeah, that has been it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.